Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Ulit ako si Chari Paragmon ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Taurus at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano po yung mensahe na ating pong makikita o mababasa para sa iyo, Taurus. At syempre sa inyo mga cross-watchers din. Playing games. Ang sabi dito, this is a game to me. The way I'm acting, responding, or posting it to get your attention. Okay, so parang, di ba sinasabi niya rito is, wala lang, isang laro lang ito, para lang makuha ang attention mo. Ito yung ginagawa niya, di ba, umaarte siya, para makuha yung pansin, no? Mapansin mo siya, in other words. Kasi kung hindi mo siya pinapansin, o ba wala kang panahon para sa kanya, or wala kang panahon for love, in general, itong person na ito, parang ito yung naisip niya na dapat niyang maging strategy o estratehiya para makuha yung attention mo. I think basically that's it, no? Pansinin mo siya. Kasi syempre pag hindi mo napansin, wala, di ba? Kung gaba sa pagsusuyo, wala, zero yon, walang dating, no? Walang boom, gano'n. Walang ting, di ba? Hindi maganda sa totoo lang yung pakikipaglaro, no, lalo na kasi kung medyo sabihin natin na inaarte niya to. Pero kung titignan mo rin on the other side of the coin, sabi nga nila, no, is ginagawa niya to kasi maybe talagang gusto ka niya, no? Hindi, usually ang tao hindi naman paarte ng ganito o yung won't do anything na to really get your attention, di ba? Kung walang gusto talaga to sa'yo. In other words, yung walang feelings ba? It doesn't even, sabihin kung hindi ka gusto ng tao, walang attraction, hindi to mag-e-effort na gumawa ng ganito. But you have to be very careful or mindful kasi nga ang nakikita ko rito or nasisense ko is more of parang it's just a game, no? Laro lang. Wala pa yung seriousness. Maybe na-intriga yung person na ito sa'yo. Maybe because, you being Taurus, find this person to be somebody na talaga attractive, intriguing, worth to know, yung mga ganong scenario. So, kaya ikaw, parang it is something na it is nice to be flattered with, but you have to be also looking at yung how far are this going to happen, you know, ganong tagal ba ito mangyayari. Kasi syempre hindi naman laro ang pag-ibig, di ba? Ang pag-ibig, kung talagang mahal mo yung tao, oo, you will try your best to get this person's attention, but not to play games, if you know what I mean. Okay? You will really show your utmost serious intentions from the onset. Umpisa pa lang, pinapakita mo na sa tao na I really like you. No? Hindi yung parang laro-laro lang ng dating. Hindi ganoon. Okay? So, let us see sa tarot kung ano yung mababasa natin. Jumping card. We have the Page of Wands. So, this is what we are trying to do, no? See kung ano yung magiging kung ano yung past, ano nangyari sa inyo before. We have the Moon. We have the Nine of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. Okay. And yung bottom niya is the Five of Swords. Now, yung past or something na to do with ano yung tipong kailangan mo makalimutan. I think with this person, Taurus, no, since this is the Page of Wands, I think yung relationship mo before with this person is something na, yeah, you got a message, no? Meron ka na-receive na mensahe, but considering this is a page, so I would say, yung naging parang main problem with this person is, hindi siya ganun ka experience o hindi siya ganun ka seryoso nga pagdating sa pag-ibig sa'yo. No? Kung paano niya hinandle yung relationship nyo. Kasi, yung page kasi, di ba, dahil nga, kung ba this is supposed to be a young one or a teenager, kung parang gano'n yung dating niya sa suit eh. Siyempre, kung bata pa to, hindi siya ganun kaano di ba, kaalam. Or maybe yung nararamdaman niya at the time na naging kayo is hindi pa ganun kalalim, no? So you actually felt or have seen that particular parang aspect of the relationship na medyo parang hindi ito seryoso sa akin. O yung mababaw ba? Mababaw yung aming relationship. Yung alam mong parang tipong walang patutunguhan. Diba? Yung hindi tatagal. In other words. Kaya nga, the thing is, the problem or the challenge was, marami kang hindi alam dito sa tao na to. You find it very difficult to parang decipher. Yung decipher is more of parang mabasa, no? Maintindihan yung person mo, no? Because medyo bata pa nga eh. You're finding it quite unclear, no? Feeling mo maraming sinisikreto pa o hindi siya nagiging tapat, may itinatago, something like that, no? Marami, or it feels like na malabo sa'yo, no? Taurus, na yun nga sabi ko sa'yo na parang pakiramdam mo na walang patutunguhan itong relationship na to. This is the Moon, okay? An energy coming from a Pisces. Kaya kung gaba parang medyo hindi ka rin ganun seryoso sa kanya kasi nga the way things are happening with the relationship, no, hindi mo nakikita na worth na i-pursue o tumagal pa, things like that. Well, yung dapat kasi sana, no, na naging action dito ng person mo is it should be a wish fulfillment for this person, no? With the 9 of Cups. Sana, yung, kung talagang meron siyang matinding pagtingin sa'yo, di sana talagang pinurso niya, yung binigyan niya to ng panahon, effort, proper attention, all those things na talagang kailangan para matupad, no? Matupad yung na yun, yung kahilingan na yun, o yung kagustuhan na yun na maging kayo pang habang buhay. Kasi papakita ko, just at the end is the Hierophant. This is your card, Taurus. No, the Hierophant is all about relationship, institution, tradition, marriage, partnership. Diba? Kung titignan mo, kung ganun siyang kaseryoso, ito yung magiging aim niya, no? Yung goal, yung kanyang gusto mangyari at the end or towards to the future, more of, parang, di ba? But things are not really moving as you wanted it to be. Hindi siya nangyayari kung ano yung talagang gusto mo. Ano ba yung naging intensyon? Ang nangyari tuloy is parang merong naiwan. Parang merong hindi nabigyan ng magandang halaga o hindi nabigyan ng halaga. You felt that it is time to leave, no? Parang pakiramdam mo panahon na para umalis. Or merong dapat iwanan. Or give up na yung itong relationship na to. Somebody na talagang yung feeling ba o yung energy na to is saying na hindi talaga tayo alis na lang ako, iwan na kita, bahala ka na dyan, o hindi na kita pansinin, na may ganun yung dating. Kaya nga yung advice nga is, sabi ko at the end, if you really truly love this person, if you sabihin natin na either you, Taurus, or the cross-watcher, talagang sabihin natin na yung feelings ba na, yeah, I really wanted to be serious with Taurus, or Taurus, you wanted to be serious with your cross-watcher, ito yun ito yung magiging nyo, kung ba parang tina-target, no? Ito yung wish fulfillment dito. At the end, maging kayo, no? But it seems that it didn't happen because somebody left. May umalis, may nang iwan, merong hindi nagbigay ng importansya. Okay, just left, or sabihin natin na parang wala lang, ayoko na, parang gumanon, umayaw na. Kaya nga siguro what we have here is yung pakiramdam ba with the 5 of Swords na in a way you felt that you have succeeded, but hindi rin kasi yung feeling ba na kala mo nanalo ka dahil nakuha mo yung mga armas, and yung mga tao mo parang nagsabi na, o yung kalaban mo dito is more of yung parang nag-give up na, sige, ikaw na yung panalo. But it doesn't felt that way, no? Taurus, hindi ganun yung dating. Kasi nga, with the Lovers, this is a card or energy na you need to make a very important decision with this relationship, no? Yung pakiwari mo ba na ano na bang gagawin ko with this person, kasi alam mo deep inside na hindi hindi ito, hindi siya. No, ganun yung dating eh. Bakit important yung decision? Kasi ito na yung nagpapatunay na sinabi ko na sa Badilla. With the 8 of Cups, merong umalis. Nag-split kayo, in other words, naghiwalay kayo, or you've decided to just move forward. Yung ba parang wala na, no? Iwan mo na siya and you move forward. Di kita situationates kung sino gumawa nun. But syempre, ang ano dun is, ganito yung nangyari. This is the end result. Okay? Painful as it is, but I'm sorry, Taurus, pero I think this is what had happened. Ito yung nangyari sa relationship na to. Eh, kung kanino man yung nag-resonate dito sa reading ngayon. Kaya nga ano eh, 'di ba? Sabi ko you have to be mindful kasi parang naging ano lang eh, laro lang. It's just a game. Kung ano tong ano na to, naging relationship. Nothing serious about it. Ang ano na lang doon is you take the lessons that needs to be learned. Kung ano man ito, yung natutunan mo. And then of course, sa susunod mong relationship, Taurus or Crosswatcher, alam mo na, you know exactly what to do next. And what not to do. Kasi yun yung most probably yung nangyari sa past. Okay? Kung gaba this relationship, yung person na to, na-meet mo siya for the reason of for you to learn something. Kasi di ba sabi nga nila, yung mga na-meet natin, they don't stay long because ang purpose nun is turuan lang tayo ng leksyon. Okay? So maybe this is one of those relationship na yun lang. Meron kang gustong or may tinuturo sa'yo. Okay? Pagdating sa relationship na to. Now, do we need to clarify anything? Well, maybe we ask kung bakit nga ba siya umalis? Though it's very clear. Bakit andito yung 5 of Pentacles? Wow. It has something to do with your love, no? Kasi nga, hindi, yeah, with the 2 of Pentacles and the Emperor. Okay. Kung bakit may umalis, kasi ang question talaga is this the one? Siya na ba talaga? And with the 2 of Pentacles, hindi mo maintindihan. You just don't know. You don't know the answer. Yung, kung gaba parang nag-aalinlangan ka talaga. Because you don't see this person to be responsible. Hindi siya yung tipong yung energy nito ng Emperor na alam mong mapagkakatiwalaan mo. Hindi ganun yung dating eh. Kaya nga kino-question mo eh. That's why I think you have decided na parang this is not the one. This is not the one. Hindi siya yung para sa akin. Sad to say, I'm sorry, but yun yung nakikita ko, Taurus. Okay? So, maybe if we ask, tanong natin, kakaroon ba ng next na relationship? Si Taurus na mas serious, yung talagang hindi katulad nito. Magkakaroon ba siya? He said yes. It's justice. And it's really a partnership. More of parang yung magkakaroon ka na talaga ng, or mamimit mo na yung tao na I think that you'd really be involved with sa future. Kasi Justice card is all about, di ba, getting into a contract. It's all about relationship, getting into marriage, no? So, there is this possibility na yung susunod mo na relationship would be the one. Okay? Na talagang may serious na siya. And it's a yes. So, yung timing, tignan natin kung kailan yung timing para dito sa pagdating nitong person na to, yung seriousness. Wow, December. So maybe sa December, you meet somebody na ito na, this is the one for you. Yung iniintay-intay mo na mas appropriate or mas nagja-jive sa iyong personality, mas gusto mo yung dating o yung compatibility yung dalawa, di ba? Yung friendship nyo, yung attraction sa isa't isa, it's really mas okay. Kasi nga, ganun yung nangyayari, di ba? Usually, yung kung bakit meron tayong relationship sa past na hindi nag-work out. Kasi, yung susunod, di ba, is, kung ba parang, it is a preparation for you na para do sa susunod na relationship is maging okay na, okay ka na ito na yung iniintay mo. Ito na yung maging wish fulfillment na hinahanap mo na matupad. At ito na yung tao na hinahanap mo na matagal na, no? Looking for the one. Yeah? So, you stay positive about this, Taurus, para, magtuloy-tuloy siya na maging maganda yung flow. Kasi, maganda naman yung, di ba, yung dadating. Justice and, sabi nga nila, December. Wow. Hanggang ba magandang pa-Christmas yun sa'yo. Di ba? Pero bonus ka na, may pera ka pa, meron ka pang love life. O, ano pang hihingin mo, di ba? So, good luck to you. I'll pray for you. And kung kanino mang energy itong nakuha natin kay Taurus, sana nakatulong ito ng malaki sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.